This is Tier 2 of the TacMed Critical Event Response System. It incorporates the TacMed Responder Armor, which has both front and back Level 3A soft armor that is NIJ certified. It also involves the universal tourniquet dispenser, which is behind the patch and capable of holding 2 tourniquets. In this tier, the kit that affixes to the front of the armor is the Medic Kit, which is a larger kit and holds more equipment. Let's take a more in-depth look at the capabilities of this tier. This is the TacMed Responder. As we just stated, it comes standard with both front and back Level 3A soft body armor panels that are NIJ certified. That is the entry-level starting point for being NFPA 3000 compliant, specifically for the armor protection capabilities that you're providing to your personnel. This is a very flexible and versatile system, and what I mean by that is it's not a custom fit vest meant for one person. It has the ability to adjust to the shoulder straps and the waist straps, and where that becomes very, very helpful is a lot of fire departments, EMS services are purchasing these for every seat in the vehicle. So whether it's 2 people, 3 people, 4 people, however many seats are in that apparatus, that's how many systems they're buying for that vehicle. And over the course of Alpha shift, Bravo shift, Charlie shift, 24 hours, 24 hours, 24 hours, a lot of different people are coming in and occupying those seats. And those people have very, very different body types, sizes, shapes. This system has the ability to adjust to those. We refer to it as one size fits most. And what is key about it is it keeps the protection panels where they need to be. In the center of the chest and the center of the back, covering the heart, lung, and spine, high in the hydraulics. 2 key features that are also on this vest. On the back is a true emergency drag handle. This isn't just a carrying strap or something to be able to hang it up with. This is vertically sewn all the way down the back of the vest, and if you need to actually pull somebody, it's not going to break. So it is a true rescue drag handle. On the front of the vest is MOLLE capable equipment, so you can attach different bags, different capabilities to it, and mount a lot of equipment there to be able to enhance the vest's capabilities. So I want to take a couple quick minutes here to talk about a really cool feature that we can add on to the TacMed Responder armor system, and that is the universal tourniquet dispenser. What this thing basically does is takes advantage of existing real estate on the vest to be able to include additional tourniquets. And what I mean by that is normally on both the front and the back there will be a big huge patch panel that occupies space, and historically that's all these vests have been able to do with that space, is just put a patch there. Basically what we do is we take the patch off, this device affixes to the front panel of the vest in that same space. And if you'll notice there's hook and loop, and that will become important here in a moment. And once this thing is attached, there are 2 soft tourniquets attached here. There's little pull straps that if I need to access it, I pull the strap and it dispenses one of our soft tourniquets. Same thing if I need to do it on the other side. But once that device is in place and the 2 tourniquets are there, we take the patch and we just simply attach it back over the universal tourniquet dispenser, and you still have the recognition of the patch on the front of the vest, but behind it you have the capability of storing 2 tourniquets. This has the ability to go on any armor that is on the market, so even if it's not one of ours, you can attach it to another competitor's version of armor and it will work great for that system. And it is a universal tourniquet dispenser, meaning not just the TacMed soft tourniquet, but it will accommodate other tourniquets that are on the market. This is the Medic Kit. It is intended to be molled to your vest or belt, however you want to wear it. Let's open it up and take a look at the components that are inside. Now, as you can see, this is a larger bag and capable of carrying a lot more equipment. The way it's set up right now is the standard stock way that it will come, but as with any case or kit here at Tactical Medical Solutions, we can customize it to meet your mission specifications. But the way it's set up right now, it comes with 4 soft tourniquets, 2 packets of tack gauze behind the tourniquets, and 2 4-inch flat pack Elias behind those. On the bottom panels, we have a Sharpie marker, a set of trauma shears, 5 pairs of medical grade gloves. Behind that we have 2 twin pack of halo vented chest seals, 2 more 4-inch flat pack Elias bandages, and 5 combat casualty